Hi, it's John Victor. We're going to walk through in this video some of our account settings, the ones you'll need to know in order to launch your product. Now, in some cases, you will come across these account settings when you are actually going through the launch menu. However, you can start the process by going to the drop-down menu and clicking on Account Settings. The first thing you're going to see is your Edit Profile link. Now this is going to be your public profile, and you will be able to change all the information in order for people to see when you are applying to be an affiliate or when you are actually selling a product. And some of this information will not be publicly available, such as your email address, your phone number, Skype name, or any other identifying information. For example, this is what a public profile will look like to other people who are clicking on your username. Of course, you can also change your password, and then there is the Marketplace Alerts tab, and we will review this tab when we look at the buyer marketplace. You also have your purchase history. This is going to be any purchase that you have made through the Warrior Plus network. You'll be able to go back and look at any of your past purchases, click inside of the purchase, get sale information, and then visit the support link if necessary. You also have email address tab. Now this tab, you'll get all of the email addresses that you have associated with the account and the one which you'll be getting the notifications from Warrior Plus. Typically, you'll find this email if you use Gmail inside of your promotions tab. You'll also have notification settings. And the notification settings are set so that you'll be able to determine how you want Warrior Plus to send you emails and the different capacities that you'll be managing your account. You'll also have a two-factor security setting. This will help you to add a measure of security to your account. To set up two-factor authentication, all you need to do is click the Setup Now link. This will force you to put a mobile device number so that any time an unauthorized change to your account, you'll get a notification to your mobile device letting you know that there is access and giving you the opportunity to determine whether the change was legitimate. There's a link for merchant accounts. You can add in a merchant account. This is how you determine how you will be paid, whether or not you're an affiliate or a vendor. What you'll do is you'll set up either Stripe or PayPal, and then both of these choices will be available to you when you are going through the product creation process. You'll then see the integrations tab. We open up that integrations tab. You'll be able to click add a new service. When you add the new service, any of these services that Warrior Plus lists in this drop-down menu, you'll be able to add to your account. Now, these are direct integrations, so these are not integrations like through a service like Zapier. These are actually part of any sales or support process that you have connected to any product that you're creating. You also have a delegate login user. Using this feature, you'll be able to add in someone that can access your account and to do some of the work on your behalf. You have a virtual assistant, or if you have a partner, they'll be able to manage the account as you add them as delegates. If you are retargeting users, you can add pixel links. It allows you to add in a Facebook pixel, a Google Analytics tag, or a custom image pixel. This is primarily for retargeting and additional marketing analytics. There is an account balance and withdrawals tab. And this tab will give you access to any funds that you have available based on cases where all the funds available to you in either PayPal or Stripe have cleared. In some cases, not all payments clear right away. Payments sometimes take time. You get access to it at a later point, and then you have access to be able to withdraw the funds. So it's a good idea to check this every so often to make sure that you have funds to withdraw. You just click withdraw funds and then send the funds to either PayPal or Stripe. Warrior Plus will track the level of sales that you make. Click this tab. You'll be able to get an easy to understand report that shows the affiliate commissions, the marketplace fees, and the recurring payments. You'll also have access to the IPN history instant payment notification. If you click inside here, you'll see whether or not a sale has been sent to PayPal, and this would be both for buyer and seller. Typically, you will only look here if there's a problem with the transaction. Someone not being able to see they've actually spent the money or something like that. There's also an API key tag. Where your API key tags gives you third-party access to your account. They are private and individual to your account. When you create a Warrior Plus API key, you're going to be creating a secret key, giving access to an automated program that will access information that is going to be part of your account. You want to be careful about where you store this information, and you don't want to make this information available to anyone once you've actually created the API key. If you're using it with a third-party program or however you may be using it, you'll have access to a security key. This security key setups for instant payment notifications or RSS feeds, or in a secure setup. This is going to be another key that you want to make sure that you're careful about, and that only works with the third-party programs that you have, and where you store it should be a private location. And lastly, you'll see a tab for affiliate refund requests. In some cases, when there is a sale made, and this, from time to time, there will be a case where funds will not always be available in the affiliates accounts for refunds. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to come to this setting and make the request of the affiliate who has paid for the commission. In the case of the refund, did not return their portion of the refund. So you want to yes this area for that case. The same is going to be true if someone needs to make that kind of request from you. Now, you may have noticed that there is a billing and credit card section in the account setting, and that's actually going to be different from your merchant accounts. The billing and credit card section is designed for you, the buyer, to speed up the checkout process. So by adding in a billing method, either by credit card or PayPal, you'll be able to walk through the purchase process much easier and faster during a product purchase. And so that is all for your account settings. And with that, it's John Victor. This is Mobile Marketing College, and we'll see you in another video.